Okay guys, I want to tell you something. I got a product today from a very nice viewer. He sent me this free thing. It was free to me. And I've always talked about this problem. Notice how when I hit this, it wants to slide around. Even if you're being very careful, you have this problem with sliding around. I've tried to solve that with some various things like this. But no matter what, this thing tends to want to slide around. Let's take a key like this, very heavy key, paddle, I should call it a paddle. Now I'm going to do the alphabet and see if I can get all the way through it. I got in the second letter and I knocked it over. Okay, notice how I'm sliding around. It's very disturbing to do that. A very nice viewer sent me this product from, I believe it was DX Engineering. So, you know, it advertises it's a non-stick kind of pad for your car. You're supposed to put your cell phone on or whatever. It's from, now look at this. I just got this today, and look, when I pull it off of here, look how sticky that sucker is. Okay? So it's not a glue, but it's really, really sticky. And he sent me this for my very problem that I mentioned, and I really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now the idea is this does not slip. I mean, you really got to knock it around to slip it, but this thing is pretty cool. I just want to say thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for sending it to me. If anyone wants to send me something else, I'm in the market for an ICOM 7610. So go ahead and feel free to send me a 7610. I'll put my address. All right, I'm just kidding, but maybe Gigaparts will send me an ICOM 7610. If they do, I will give this away for free to some needy kid. How about that? No, I'm just kidding. I really like this product. I wanted to share it with you. If I can find the link to this, I'll put this link to this in the description if you want one also. I wish I could I really wish I could just permanently attach it just like that. Or if it was a tiny bit smaller, I wouldn't need such a big surface area, but this is gonna work great.